Hello, this is Rushan. In this video, I'll show you how I created a game UI button in Photoshop only using my mouse. I started with a simple ellipse shape and filled it with a gradient. Then I made a copy of that layer and added an inner glow. After that, I created this simple reflected light with another ellipse shape and put that into overlay mode. To add some glow to the button, I added a blur to the bottom layer. You can do this with an outer glow as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.